Hi, I'm Alaina and I'm a cosmetology student here at T-Spa White House, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do a high slick back pony. So these are the items that we're going to need to do this tutorial. First we have a boar bristle brush, some elastics, some bobby pins, hairspray, gel, a rat tail comb, and some pomade. Alright, we're going to start off by brushing out her hair. So we're just going to get all the tangles out. And then I'm going to go in with the texture pomade that we have for this style and apply it all over my hands. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to move her hair back with that to get her hair moving in the direction of the ponytail. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and start moving her hair up to the point where we want the ponytail to be. And we're going to take our boar bristle brush because it has a more dense bristles to it, so it's going to be able to slick her hair down really good. Alright, and we're going to move her ponytail up and brush out the bumps. And now that we're at the point where we want our ponytail to be, is when we can start to go in with the gel. And I'm going to apply a little bit just to kind of rub it on there on her hair. And we're going all around the head with this, and this is going to really lay those flyaways down. And now once that's all over her head, we're going to take our rat tail comb and we're going to start smoothing that out. And now once that's really slicked down, we're going to go in with our elastics. And we're going to tie this up. And I'm using 2 just for extra hold to make it more tight. And then this is actually one of my favorite ponytail tricks. So I take the ponytail and I'm going to cut it in half with that comb. And then I'm going to only pull on this top piece. And that's going to move the ponytail up more on her head. And then at this point, you can either throw some curls in there or straighten it, however you want to do it. But I'm just going to brush it out. And I'm taking my comb again, and I'm going to pick out a small piece from the back of her ponytail here. Just a small piece like this. And I'm going to wrap that around her elastic. That way, that's not showing. And we're going to pin that underneath her ponytail where you can't see it. And then we're going to take our hairspray just to add some more texture in this ponytail back here. We're lifting it up and just spraying. All right, and that's how I do my slick back ponytails.